How to make a wallpaper with multiple pictures on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is simply pull down from the top on your iPhone, and once on your current wallpaper you are going to press down on it. Then you are going to tap on the plus in the bottom right hand corner, and in the top left hand corner you are going to tap on Photo Shuffle. Once you're on this page, from here you can select people or nature, and below that you will also see the option Shuffle Frequency. And by shuffle frequency, this is the amount of time or the times that you would like your photos to change. For this example, I'll leave mine on hourly. Then at the bottom of the page you can tap on Select Photos Manually, or you can tap on Use Featured Photos. After you have selected an option, for this example I'll tap on Use Featured Photos. For example, if I were to tap on them, as you can see right here, you can see that the wallpapers are changing. Then you'll tap on Add in the top right hand corner. Then tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.